we get to have a nice little date day. And there's no place that I would rather go than to the Tractor Supply. I'm buying Tink these little cat feeding and drinking bowls. I've been trying to find one small enough for him, and this is the first one that I found that will work perfectly for little Tink. I don't know anyone who doesn't love looking at the baby chickens at Tractor Supply. And look at these adorable little shovels and rakes and hoes. I think I should probably get some for Atlan. I'm going to have to go back for those. I wish I'd bought them. We are going to try something new, the seed tape. I think it will be pretty cool. I hope they come up well. I love looking at the stuff at Tractor Supply. These cups were adorable. Whatever floats your goat in summer is what they say. I thought about getting one for Adlin, but man, they were very pricey. $20, and there were small cups. I don't know. They might be really good. Who knows? But I just wasn't in the mood to pay $20 for a cup today. I'm so excited, and it's raining. Hey, he's stealing this.
Right out the door.
Right out the door. It's heavy. Let me help you put it in there.
Pick it straight up. Can you pick it up?
I don't know. I'm doing my best.
It's not heavy.
You're right.
It really is. Ain't heavy at all.
I don't gotta cook anymore. Next stop, the Walmart. Babes is securing his strap, so I decided to go check out the flowers at the Walmarts. In the clearance section, really nice clearance going on. I was so tempted to buy these roses. They were only $5 a bush, but I didn't because I really don't have time to plant right now. That one already has some. So does this one.
Yours is gonna look way better.
Oh yeah.
sprinkles and rainbows.